Hi State Farm, this is David and James with Gabriel Roofing. Today we're going to be performing a repairability test on a home. It's a mutual client of ours. Their name is Janet Sherman. Claim number 2381V688W. Address is 10655 Maple Valley Drive, Maple Grove, Minnesota 55369. It is currently 68 degrees and rising. The purpose of the test today is to evaluate whether the existing shingles can be repaired without causing additional damage and to document the current condition of the roof for insurance consideration. We'll be examining several factors during the process: delamination, weathering, granule loss, adhesion and sealant bonds, nail pulls, and overall pliability. The goal is to provide a clear, evidence-based record of the roof's condition, and by documenting these factors in the video, we can demonstrate whether repairs are a viable option or if replacement is necessary in order to restore the roof to its pre-storm condition. This information is being provided to assist the insurance carrier in making accurate and fair assessment of the damage. Good to go.
Alright, so we're going to remove this shingle here. As you can see, we have not broke the seal. And we are already seeing a shingle that we are removing crack right here and break through. And it is affecting the matting. Thing up here on shingle number 2, or is this shingle number 5? I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, it's just tearing super easy just lifting it.
I guess let's try to do a 45 if you can when we get there.
Shingle broke through that nail.
Nail did not hold upon trying to release it.
Shingle number 4 and 1. You can see it's affecting the matting on shingle number 1. And also and a break on shingle number 4. Again on shingle number 4. Again on shingle number 4. Again on shingle number 4. Now I have shingle number 5, shingle number 4, and shingle number 3, all damaged due to trying to replace the one removed shingle.
Little to no pliability, nail pops.
Pulling it up. Rips it. That nail pop through. And shingle number 5 and 4. Let's see. And that one popped through. That one popped through on the removed shingle. That one popped through on the removed shingle. Nail is not holding in the existing hole. And that nail popped through.
Did you say these shingles are ripping at about a 30-degree angle?
Yeah.
Yes.
As you can see, we've had several nails pop through this.
Hang on, let me get on this side in the shadow. So it looks like a couple of the nails held, but it looks like most of them no longer are pliable enough to withstand nails being pulled out without damaging the shingle. Any shingle we pull will have holes in the adjoining shingles due to the nails not being able to hold.
So just looking at these shingles, they just lifted them up and attempting to remove one shingle, they all ripped, coming up to where they all get nailed in together. Some creasing with this brake, some creasing on this shingle already right here. We're just going to go ahead and mark shingle number 1 as a fail. Shingle number 2 survived, but again is very delicate. Shingle number 3 still got its adhesive bond. Shingle number 4 ripped. and the adhesive bond had failed now. Can transfer. Shingle number 5 has ripped. So shingle number 5, we're going to X. Shingle number 4, we're going to X as a fail. Number 6 is okay. Total we have 3 shingles out of the 6 marked that have failed. Mark these quick. And we will go ahead and attempt to reinstall the new shingle.
Certainteed,
brand new shingle. First thing I notice is when I'm laying it in here, it is a different size and overlaps shingle number, or technically the one in between 2 and 3 over on the left side.
get a quick measurement of this shingle. It's not showing up good.
38 3/4.
38 3/4. We'll measure this one that we pulled out. 38 1/2.
A little over, huh?
Yep.
1/4 inch. As you can see here, the shingle is not fitting in the slot. We have a different size shingle, but same brand. So we will go ahead and nail these shingles back in. Has creased again.
We're also getting a ton of granular loss as these nails are going in. It's compromising all the shingles around.
5 nails in. Creasing along shingle number 4 right here. Delamination of this tab. Breakage, more breakage here, and creasing. This shingle as well has been affected. Unmarked shingle up here. This one still seems to be good, but oh, another crease right there. Anyways, replacing shingle number 4, 5, 1, and 2 would also affect shingles going upwards.